Here are my little Cochin babies. And these are not large fowl Cochin. These are Bantam Cochins. So, they're actually getting close to breeding age. But it's Sprouts today. I was gonna ignore and skip Sprouts, but Jack is loudly squalling and bawling and letting me know that I have not given Sprouts today. Today's been an interesting day. I called to see what it would take to get NPIP certification, and so I'm starting that. So maybe I'll be able to shell my babies across state lines. Come here. Come on. Here, Mama. Here, you want that? Here, go back in there. I may ask my husband if we can make, when we start doing the additional cages, even though these babies are pretty happy, just they need a dry spot and a place for them to move around a little bit. I may ask him to add some room. Alright, I don't know if you can hear that thunder in the background, but I'm going to put a move on it.